Welcome to this tutorial. How to change a Windows password using command prompt. If you are looking for a solution to change your Windows password using command prompt, then this video is for you. We've got your back with a nifty solution. Today, we're diving into the world of command prompt magic to help you regain control over your Windows password. So grab your keyboard and let's get started on this journey to password empowerment. With just a few simple steps, you'll be back in the driver's seat of your Windows account in no time. Let's learn how to change a Windows password using command prompt. Type CMD in the Windows search bar at the bottom left of the taskbar. Right-click on the Command Prompt app and then click on the Run as Administrator. In the User Account Control prompt box, click on the Yes button. Type NetUser in the Command Prompt window and press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will find a list of user names. Let's try to change the password of the guest user. Type NetUser Guest and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, type a password for the user and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Here, please note that you will not see the cursor movement or password when you type the password. Next, retype the password to confirm and press the Enter key on your keyboard. See, we have successfully changed the Windows password by using command prompt. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.